Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Yaris GR versus BMW. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle unique, from their engineering philosophies to their on-road presence. The Yaris GR offers a rally-bred experience, while BMW provides a sophisticated blend of power and premium features. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which car aligns better with your driving preferences and lifestyle. Let's get started. When it comes to raw performance, the Yaris GR is a true pocket rocket. Its turbocharged 1.6-liter engine delivers 268 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. This car is built for precision and rally-inspired handling, thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system. In contrast, many BMW performance models, like the M135i, often exceed 300 horsepower, offering a more refined yet potent driving experience, often with a rear-wheel drive or rear-biased all-wheel drive setup. Beyond performance, practicality and value are key considerations. The Yaris GR is a compact, three-door vehicle designed primarily for the driver. It offers a thrilling experience but with limited rear passenger and cargo space. On the other hand, many BMW models provide a more spacious and luxurious cabin, often with 4 doors and more advanced infotainment systems. While the Yaris GR typically has a lower entry price, BMW's premium features and brand appeal contribute to a different ownership experience and potentially higher resale value in its segment. So which car is better for you? If you crave an unadulterated, rally-inspired driving experience, prioritizing agility and driver involvement above all else, the Toyota Yaris GR is an outstanding choice. It's a purpose-built machine for enthusiasts. However, if you seek a more versatile vehicle that combines potent performance with premium comfort, advanced technology, and greater practicality for daily use, a BMW performance model might be more suitable. Ultimately, your ideal car depends on your personal driving style and lifestyle needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.